we're showing people a new way to start a fire. Eliminating everything that comes with starting a fire, whether it's no matches, no lighters, no kindling, whether it's windproof, waterproof, rainproof, and just the 100% reliable. When I pull the string, it's gotta work. Pull-start fire is just logs and our product. I wanted it to just be as simple a process as it could be, knowing that it could work for the backyard scenario as well as the stuck in the middle of the snow and negative 22-degree weather scenario. I don't care what the condition of the logs are in. If I'm digging them out of snow, I should be able to light them still with no kindling. When it came to starting fires, I really enjoyed the atmosphere that it creates for bonding with friends and family, but starting the fire itself was always a pain.
I thought the pull-start fire was really, really cool. That was so easy compared to other ways I usually do it. That was awesome.
When I see somebody else using it, that's the ultimate form of appreciation for me. We've never had someone pull a string and be disappointed.
That's so cool. I feel so excited about this.
Pulled the string.
It's really gratifying to have worked so hard at something and see the value that it brings people every time that string is pulled.